So this is the engine, and I'm about to change the water pump and the timing belt. So got the engine mount here. I've loosened out all the 4 bolts there, one down there, one there. I hope I don't have to take that one off down in the corner there. Let's see what happens at the next spot. I'm looking at taking off the auxiliary belt next, which is just down there. I'll take these 2 off, and there's one more there. Got the spanner and that tensioner there to get the auxiliary belt off. This is a weird setup. It's got 2 tensioners. So this one here, I've bent that back, and I thought this shit ain't springy enough. So that's in its max back position. If you can see, that's like the belt down there is nearly straight. There's one more tensioner there as well, man. So use that. I got the belt off there. You guys are making noise in the background. I should have checked out the routing actually. I didn't write it down. Nearly forgot. That's what I remember, so hopefully. Now is when I start dropping the engine and raising the engine on. Well, I can't do too much because it's got a rear engine mount right there. It stops a lot of movement, unfortunately. I've got the jack on the AC compressor bracket. I'll take this off now. I've never seen a Peugeot with a crank that's I'm going to spin, but I'm going to double check what the pin up is going to be. That bolt is missing, so this has been done before. This tensioner here is broken. The little pinhole thing there is broken off, so definitely been touched before, but that is the biggest sign. Okay, there's a clip. My damn battery is too low to flash, so I can't get it. Okay, so I've just looked online and you can take this crankshaft pulley off without timing it up, so I'm just gonna gun that off. I just realized that I've come to this job without any timing tools, so we'll see what we can do. Yep, I've got a Woodruff key right there. This is a timer. That's important. That's for the timing. Okay, so this is like the pickup for the crankshaft sensor, which is just there. See, this has been done before, so we got some markings that we can look out for when I get this cover off. Okay, so we got the timing belts exposed, and we can see the leak. Looks like the core plug from the water pump has failed, which is a shame. Not even the water pump failed, but the core plug, and it could be down to poor quality coolant and the rust in the system. Oh shit.
Have a good one, sir.
Take care, man. Have a good day, man.
Good night, mate.
Take care, man. I should start, shouldn't it? Have I disconnected anything? Oh yeah, it's got no crank sensor now, is it? I should have spun up some water in there. Catch it dripping in a second. There we go. Alright, so I need to see the timing marks So I feel like that is pinning there, so I have to go back a little bit. 100%. Yeah, these are my timing marks. So that little black dot there and that black dot there. I hope I'm not playing myself. And block that. No time to waste. Got the belt off. And I'm gonna attack the water pump. I see that it's moving already, but don't worry, I've got enough experience to get that back on. Let's get this water pump off now. Okay, all the bolts are out of the water pump. It's not moving. That's just pure water, man. Shame. Looks like it's failed just there. Alright, so I'm working late. Look, this is dark. It's getting dark now, you see it? Okay, so I've cleaned up the water pump surface. Yeah. I think I can miss a little spot up in the corner there, a little bit of rust there. I might go and give that a little hit. Right, I cleaned it up. And now I've got the water pump here. And it's got its own metal gasket, but I'm going to put some silicone a little bit on both sides of it, because I don't know, I just can't be dealing with leaks in it. Like that, and a bit on there like that. Okay, so the water pump's on. Yeah, a little bit of gasket stuff around there, that's all good. Cool. Where's my timing mark? Still there. Close enough. Alright. That's the new timing belt kit in there. Got one new idler to put on. Where is that? It's just where is this idler? I've got the right kit. Oh, see that one there? Oh, what is this? Alright, so that new tensioner is in just behind that bolt there. Yeah, behind that bolt is the new tension, the new idler, and then this is the new tensioner here. Alright, so the tensioner, you can see it up there. If you can see, there's a little notch that it slides into. That's it. The box didn't come with any new bloody nuts and bolts, no. Only one new one for the crank pulley. So I've got to find that 13 mil. Down there. Alright guys, so I slipped the belt back on exactly how it came off. It's slightly off the mark, just like how it came off. It slid back on. So if I tension it up, I reckon that will go back to the correct marking. And that's it. Not much to it, boys. Okay. Alright, there's a pin to pull first. Do I dare pull that pin? Am I happy that I'm right? Let's see what slack have I got on this side. I think it's good, man. I'm pulling that damn pin. Yep, pulled the pin. Let's have a look. pull the pin, and then when I tighten up that tension knot, I think that will pull around. Right. Alright man, so I'm all timed up and tensioned up, and look at that man. It moved by itself. I swear to God I haven't touched it. I swear. I swear guys. So, timing belt boss. That's what I know I am. Don't care what anybody says. It's literally just to put the car back together now guys. Yeah. So I'm supposed to turn this over 4 times by hand, but I forgot that step. But I'm 100% confident. So I've just started putting a cover back on. But I wanna spin the engine over a bit and see. I'm just gonna see this marking. See if that stays in time. See if it stays correctly tensioned, I mean. Alright, so if I'm a madman, this is just gonna go bang bang bang, bust the engine. I don't know why it started. It shouldn't have a crank sensor on. It started without a crank sensor. That's crazy. But anyway, starting means that it's gonna be working, isn't it? Alright then. Cool. Let's see the tension. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Don't like that, it's a little bit off, I'm not gonna lie. I just pushed it back on a bit. Oh.
You alright, mate?
Yeah, man.
I was just going to say, I'm just putting my daughter to bed, yeah?
Alright.
If you need me, just text me and I'll come down.
Alright then.
Alright, buddy?
Cool. Alright, so that's the old bolt. That's the new one. It uses the same washer. Tight as fuck, yeah. So now, because the sensor's on, it should start on the button. One more time. There we go. Timing correct. Okay, so what we can do now is put that top cover back on, and then we can put the engine mount back on and start bleeding the system. Okay, so see the diesel pipe? That just clips in to the cover, it slides in. I don't know if you can see it. Shit, man, my angle is so mad, but that just slides in from there, yeah. And then I can now see that that cable pushes through the back. It'll be alright now. It'll be alright. I'll put that shit shield back in a second. I'll do that when it's bleeding. Okay, so that belt is on now. I haven't touched the top tensioner this time, but I'll probably just lever it. Oh no, it's not on properly. Fuck. Okay, so look, engine mount back on. Engine covers back on. Auxiliary belt back on. We'll put this cover back. I think these are the last 3 bolts of the job, man. Obviously, I've got the shit shield to put back as well. The wheel arch trim. But then I'm done, man. Just got to bleed the cooling system. Then, let's say, yeah, I got it done. Got it done. Took a long time because I had to go sort the kids out. Music lessons and stuff. Late start on the job. But we're there, man. Okay, bleeding the cooling system. Alright, so it's full of blue antifreeze. I've only used that bleed nipple up there. Hopefully that's enough. I'm gonna start the engine. Once the engine's running, I'm gonna put this trim back on and this wheel back on, and then hopefully. Oh no, what's this for? That is for down here, isn't it? Covers up this area here. Luckily I saw that. Okay, so now I can put the wheel arch trim back. Alright, so that little bolt there. Remember earlier when I said there was one missing from there, it had been touched before, but it's actually this one that goes in there, so nothing was missing. Alright. Yeah, which is great.